Welcome to the eFile Upload Center. We offer a number of options for uploading your tax information, and this short video explains a quick and easy upload process for each option. Importing tax data is an ideal solution for customers with bulk filings and anyone looking to avoid manual data entry. It is also a useful way for accountants and bookkeepers who receive information from multiple clients to import the data a client at a time. This two-step process saves you time and provides a more efficient way to produce data on the eFile site. It also maintains your entered information for future tax years. It's important to note that payers, recipients, and tax forms will be created automatically from the data you import, and you'll have the opportunity to review the forms and make changes if necessary. Remember, when uploading data, there is no need to manually set up payers and recipients in advance. The first step when uploading tax data is to choose your method of data import. We offer several ways to upload data, including from an Excel template, QuickBooks, and Xero. Once you've chosen your import method, you have the option to view a video specific to the method used for more details on that particular process. Here we will demonstrate how to upload an Excel file. Step 2 is to browse your computer to choose the file to upload. 1. Click the Select File to Import button on the screen. 2. Search your computer for the file. 3. Once selected, click Upload File. 4. Import your file. Click Import Data and your payers, recipients, and tax forms will be created. If you are importing a large amount of data, your import will be queued and you can leave the screen and do other tasks or even sign out. Once the data is imported, you will be brought to the Forms in Progress page to start the checkout process. Any errors in the upload will be indicated and you'll have the chance to make corrections before checking out. From the Forms in Progress page, you can view and edit forms, run a summary of total reports and verify if all uploaded information is complete, delete forms, and select the forms you are ready to check out and submit for e-filing.